Meaning of episodic.
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 Episodic. The term episodic refers to something that is characterized by a series of distinct, separate events or episodes. In the context of storytelling or media, an episodic piece of content would be one that is divided into individual episodes or chapters, each with their own plot and narrative structure. This format is commonly used in television shows, podcasts, and serialized novels. By breaking the story down into smaller, self-contained sections, creators are able to build tension and suspense while also allowing for more flexibility in the overall story arc.